Good morning, students. Today I will again front of you and some questions I discuss real numbers. First question is this question is a state whether this statement is a true or false. This statement is a true or false statement. Then first I discuss this figure. This figure is a complete understanding. Then this questions is a only an easy way to solve this question. It is a true or false. Then first discuss this figure. Figure is a it is a natural numbers. Natural numbers is all counting numbers is a natural number. Second is the whole numbers. Whole numbers is a including with a zero. It is a whole numbers. And integer is a negative of a natural numbers and including all the whole numbers. It is an integers. And the last is the rational numbers. Rational numbers including all and integers and some numbers also. Then first it is a natural numbers. Natural numbers is this is the natural numbers, and all natural numbers including this figure, it means all natural numbers is a whole numbers, because all natural number including a whole number, it means all natural number is a whole number. And the second is a all whole number is this, all whole number is an integer. Then it is correct, all whole number is an integer, because this is an integers, and the integers including all the natural numbers and whole numbers, it means all whole numbers is an integer. And third is the integer. What is the integer? Integer about this integer, all integer is a rational number, because all rational numbers include all integers. It means all integers is a rational number. First statement, every natural numbers is a whole number. That's a statement, true or false? Check it. First is the natural numbers is this natural numbers. Every natural numbers is a whole number. It means every natural numbers is this all the natural numbers. Then all natural numbers is a whole number. This as first statement is a true. First statement is a true, because every natural number is a whole number. It means whole numbers included all the natural numbers. Second statement, every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. Check it. This statement is a true or false. Every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a this part is a rational number. And every rational number is a whole number. Whole number is a that part is a whole number. It means this statement is a false, because sum of the rational number including 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 5 by 4, this is not including in a whole number. It means every rational number is a whole number. This statement is a false. This statement is a false. And third is every real number is an irrational number. It means it is a rational number. Next, this part is a irrational number. This part is a irrational number. Then total whole part is a real number. This part is a real number. It means a real number including rational number and irrational number both. It is a real number. Then this statement is a every real number is an irrational number. Every real numbers including rational and irrational both. But in case only an irrational number discussed, then an irrational number, every real number is not an irrational number, because every irrational number is a real number. That statement is true. But this statement is a every real number is an integer. This statement is a false. Every real number is an irrational number. That statement is a false, because some are including in a rational number. Next step, every rational number is a real number. Every rational number is a real number. Real number including all the rational and irrational both. But in a case of every rational number is a this is a rational number. Every rational number is a real number. This statement is a true, because all the rational numbers including a real number. This statement is a true. Next, all integer is a natural numbers. All integer is a this is all an integer. This all integers. All integers is a natural numbers. this statement is a false because all integers including a negative sign also. Then natural numbers only on a positive sign, then it is a natural numbers. Then sum of rational integers not including the natural number, it means all integer is a natural number. This statement is false. And last statement is every natural number is a rational number. Check it, this statement is a true or false. Every natural number is a rational number. The natural number is started with a 1, 2, 3, 4, that ends on infinite. This all natural numbers, and every natural numbers is a rational, then all the natural numbers is a rational. This statement is true because all numerator upon denominator, numerator and denominator both belongs to an integer, and q does not equals to 0. This definition is fulfilled for the any integer. It means every natural number is a rational number. This statement is a true. Next video I discuss the some questions again in a real number. Then today complete this session. Thank you students.